Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect WhatsApp to n8n. So just go and open the browser, go to n8n, make sure to log in into an account. For me, I'm already logged in, so if I click on sign in, I should be logged in. Click on open instance and go and create your workflow. Once you created your workflow, just go and click on add first step, look for WhatsApp Business Cloud on messages, and here you can name it whatever you want. Then I'm just going to go and click on create a new credentials. So you'll find two things: client ID, secret ID, or client secret. Those you'll get them from Facebook. Yes, Facebook is logged in or connected with WhatsApp. So what you'll have to do is open a new tab, go to business.facebook.com, hit the enter button. Make sure that you have a business profile. If you don't, just go and create one, and it should be very easily to do so. So if you are here, just go to the URL section, go after business.facebook.com, and here you'll have to add /settings. Hit the enter button. Once you do so, as you said, if you don't have a business account, you'll have to go and create a new one. For me, as you can see, I'm just going to click on one of them. And for you, if you don't have like a business one, just go and create one. On this list panel, under accounts, I'm just going to click on apps. And here's an example. So here, just go and click on add, and here create a new app ID. So let's just wait a little bit. Okay, should like reload correctly. So I just fixed that problem, and as you can see here, I just deleted the cookies at this head. So as you can see, I can just go and close this, and here I'm just going to give it a name. I'm just going to do n8n agent. Here you can add your email, click on next. For the users case, I'm just going to do other example here. So next. After that, I'm just going to choose business next. And here's example. All you need to do, just check everything. If it's good, then go and click on create app. So once they're done, probably we'll have to, I'm just going to wait a little bit. Probably shouldn't take more than 10 seconds. So once you are here, just go and click on setup on WhatsApp. As example, integrates with WhatsApp. And once you do so, just wait again for this until it's finished. Example here, yeah, I'm just going to click on continue. And just wait again for the page until it loads. Shouldn't take a lot of time. And probably you should be like, you're already kind of done. So nothing more or not a lot left. Let me just wait for this until it's done. Yeah, here we are. So now we'll have to go into the app settings right here. And we'll have to go and click on basic. And here, basically, you'll get your credentials. So you get the app ID and app secrets. So just go and app ID and paste it here. And this as well, copy it and paste it right here. So now all you need to do, just go and then click on save. So connects with these settings. Let me just go and copy the client secret is good. So yeah, when I click on show on the client secrets, it shows like another one. So I'm just going to save this one. And as you can see now, the connection tested successfully. So as example, let's just go and close this. Let's just go back to Canvas. In this example, we already added a trigger, and you can like add an AI responses. So you'll be able to do whatever you want. Of course, you can choose AI advanced, or whatever you want for responses. I just show you here how to connect it to your WhatsApp. And for you, it's totally up to you to do whatever you want with that connection. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.